How to change payment method on Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually change your payment method on Google Play, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to actually change your payment method on Google Play, all you have to do is first of all open the Google Play app, then just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon from the top right, you'll find the option called payments and subscriptions. Just make sure to tap on that option, and when you go to payments and subscriptions, over here you'll find the option called payment method, which is at the very top, of course. So just tap on the payment method option. As you do that, if you've added any type of payment method, you'll find the option to actually change them. So in my case, I have not added any. If I want to add it, I just have to tap on the add credit or debit card option, and I can choose to add my credit or debit card. Now let's say instead of this I want to add some other payment method, so I'll just tap on more payment settings. I can go ahead and other payment information to my Google Play. This is it on how you can actually change the payment method on Google Play. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.